I don't think my iPhone's ever seen the time 5:30 a.m.
Oh.
Morning, Peach.
Morning, Plum.
Any words for the vlog?
Good morning, vlog.
Hey, look at this guy.
Take a picture of the time.
Employee number 1 for February. You're looking at him.
February, it's only January.
Come back with blonde hair,
Oh,
yeah? Okay, bye, Eamon.
Love you, Dad.
Take care, buddy. Love you, kid.
Thanks for all your help.
No problem.
Yeah.
That's it.
Don't forget about Petunia here.
That's safe. Yeah, that's gonna be it. That's gonna be a
That's too. You got enough responsibility as it is, eh?
That's a lot. I understand. Oh boy.
Alright, let's get out of the city.
Let's roll, baby.
Here, take that.
After 4 months in Toronto, we decided it was time to pack our lives back into the van and embark on our next adventure. With our sights set on warmer weather, we decided to head towards Mexico. Our goal is to drive from Ontario, Canada, west across the continent and make our way to Baja. But if our last trip to Mexico taught us anything, it's to expect the unexpected. Today, the journey begins.
So, we made it to Sarnia. And I'm not sure how or why or what happened here, buddy, but I think we might be getting on a boat.
Oh my word. We have arrived at the border crossing, it looks like. It's a beautiful day, might I add. We haven't seen the sun in weeks, and all of a sudden there's sun out. I think that's a good sign, people.
Do you feel it?
Do I feel like it's a good thing?
Yeah, do you feel it?
Yeah, I feel it.
You feel the energy?
I feel the energy, definitely. And now we're gonna try to cross the border. We've actually been to this border crossing before because you and I blindly follow Google Maps, whether that is the right thing to do or not. So, yeah, hopefully it's an easy one. Last time, I remember I was in the driver's seat and we got through no problem.
Do you want to switch?
So, very interesting to see how you go.
Mike's got this theory that license plate protector gets the officials off to the wrong foot, so we're gonna try taking it off this time.
I don't even, it's not a theory, they've told us before they don't like it.
Alright, we're rolling.
Oh, he's letting you.
Oh, damn. Good evening, officer. Good evening. Where are you headed? Heading to Arizona, mate. Is that your wife there? Isn't she gorgeous? Yeah, sure is.
It's a female.
Lady cops. Hate to break it to you guys, lady cops typically don't like me.
What
Morning.
are you guys doing?
Pardon?
What are you guys doing?
Oh, we're going to Arizona for a 3-week trip.
For what?
For a trip.
Okay, whose vehicle?
This is ours.
Is this a work truck or a regular van?
We converted it to a camper.
Like an RV.
Okay. So what do you guys do for work?
We have a tea company together.
A tea company?
Yep.
Enjoy your stay in the United States of America.
Baby! We're in.
Alright, so Beck is certain that this makes a big difference, so I'm gonna put her back on.
I have noticed something that's happening with this camera.
What?
What I see in the camera and then what... Oh, that looks fine. Oh, I haven't vlogged in a while, I forgot how to do this. Just pulled off on the side of the road. Buddy has put in so many hours this morning. You're
How many
crushing.
hours?
Well, you started at like 6 and it's noon, so 6 hours?
Yeah.
6 hours of driving. Where are we? Somewhere where it's kind of warm, which is why I don't feel like soup.
It's not that warm.
It's like 9 degrees, which is really nice. And we're gonna make some lunch at a rest stop, maybe use the bathroom and just get right back on the road.
I feel like we've been eating Costco the past like 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Costco soups, Costco salads, Costco asparagus. So we're like kind of diminishing that inventory because our fridge is maxed.
Basically the fridge is maxed because we have the largest jar of pickles I've ever seen in my whole life. Look at this jar of pickles for this fridge. That jar of pickles is way too big for this fridge. You would love this salad.
We just looked it up. We got like 3.5 hours to Chicago. So I think Beck's gonna crush that, and then maybe we'll hit the old gymnasium.
You know what I found weird?
What?
On long drive days, it's kind of like a long travel day where I feel like greasy and dirty and stuff from doing nothing.
Yeah.
Like I feel like I want to shower so
It's
badly.
like flying. Like you're just sitting there, but you're just.
What is that?
Oh, you're sweating, and you're like, especially driving, like there's stress involved.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I mean, look, your morning wasn't that tough.
My morning was great. 4 hours later, we have arrived to Chicago. I weirdly feel like Chicago, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Like, not like it's home, but I'm very comfortable in Chicago. We've been here a few times on our drives throughout the country. So we're just gonna refuel and maybe I can take a break from driving. We're gonna try to go a little bit further just to really put in an honest day's work.
2 tanks of gas down. Can we burn one more, you think? What's the zip code thing again? Howdy, yo.
Howdy, yo.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah. Do you feel like a chicken salad sandwich yet?
Kinda, yeah. We don't have any sandwich.
You can't eat it like a salad?
Nightfall is here, darkness is upon us, but we are an hour away from a Planet Fitness. So Eamon's gonna keep on motoring. I've just whipped up something from our weekday whip up book, which is a chickpea salad sandwich. But it's not a sandwich, it's just a spinach salad with the chickpea mash. Oh, very good. I'm gonna feed this to Eamon so we can keep on trucking. Eyes on the road, Joe.
Yeah, we're in Homer, Bart, Marge, and Lisa's hometown. Buddy didn't know that because she's not allowed to watch The Simpsons.
Yep. Growing up, I was never allowed to watch The Simpsons, so I'm a little rusty on my knowledge. Wow. P.S. I just said I don't even know if it's still gonna be open and it's only 6:30.
Dude.
No, but it's only 6:30.
Fellow friends, we're doing it. We're being good 2019ers, keeners at Planet Fitness. So yeah, I mean,
Oh, that's why the gym is so busy.
I don't know if you've seen these man boobs lately, but they're growing. So we gotta shrink those down, get fit. Yeah, 2019. I've driven 9 hours today.
Your hair looks crazy. Can I show everyone your hair? Buddy, did you just recently cut your hair without me knowing?
This guy's hair is on fire. No, I
Yeah,
didn't.
you did. I can
Oh,
tell.
we're doing a pineapple look today?
Yes.
Well, that's okay. Thanks, buddy. All right, we're back in black. How was your workout?
Very slow because I'm still not all that healthy, but still good to like sweat a little bit and then have a shower.
Yeah.
Oof, it's cold.
What is it like in the girls' change room?
What do you mean?
Like, do you like just like?
Don't pick your nose.
Do you like own it and just go naked or what?
No, not really. I wear a towel. There's like different like, so like there's like a shower and then there's like a changing room beside it. And I normally go in there. And you?
Depends on my mood.
Funny because I was thinking about you and how you probably just own it. We have
Well,
the same thoughts.
I know, eh? It really depends on like the vibe. Usually I just own it, but sometimes I'll like leave my shirt on and then go to the shower. Like leave
Your shirt on? Not your pants? Who cares about your shirt?
No, but my shirt usually covers my or the majority of it. I don't know. Actually, I've never done that before. Today I did it. I was like, oh, I'll just leave my shirt on and walk to the thing.
That's funny.
Because there was like some macho vibes in there, and I was like, oh, you know. But it's interesting. I'd really like to see like the dynamic of a female change room versus male. Not to like
creepy, buddy.
No, not to
I know
like
what you
creep
mean.
on girls. I just mean like the whole vibe.
Chip up field roast, some spinach with olive oil and like some spinach and some green beans.
That sounds pretty good.
Where is it? Can you wave it down for me?
Oh my god, guys, I do not know how people deal with fire alarms in a van. Welcome to our restaurant this evening. Today we'll be serving our 3-course meal.
Yum.
Starting with field roast Italian sausage.
Yep.
Mixed with some pickles and onion. And our green beans and spinach, medley. So yeah, just dig in and...
Well, we don't even get plates. I like that. Just
No way.
keep the dishes low. So should I just stand up and eat with you?
You can use the spoon, you can use the fork.
This is how we ensure that we don't have to...
What?
Your chewing is gross.
No, it's not.
Isn't his chewing gross?
You think I can put this up my nose and get it through my mouth? Or is it too thick? I've done it with spaghetti.
I hope you won't try. Don't, ew, Eamon, don't.
Should I show them our savings account?
Yeah. We've been collecting that since last year.
We're going back to Mexico.
It's gonna be a long journey though. We're taking our time. Destination number 1, Arizona. So if you guys have any recommendations on what to do or what to see in Arizona, you'll see in the next video that hopefully will be there. So yeah, let us know in the comments below. I would super love your input. We really hope you guys enjoyed coming along for day 1 of our Baja bound adventure. We are so excited to get to some warm weather, to have the adventures we're about to have, and of course to bring you along. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss a thing.
A beat. You don't want to miss a beat on this one, guys. This was episode 1. We'll check you in episode 2 some point next week.
Until then,
Bye.